This is just a quick lecture on section analysis. It's a tool that you would have seen me use in previous lectures, but I wanted to run through it in a bit more detail in this lecture. So let's say that we have this part here. I'll include it in the resources section, so if you want to download it, feel free to do so. Now let's use the section analysis tool. So it's under our solid tools and we come across to inspect, we hit the drop down there, and then we come down to section analysis. And from here, we need to determine a plane to start the section analysis, but also we can choose a face. For example, I could choose this face here, or this one, and this one. But to demonstrate this, I'm going to use the XZ plane, which is this one here. And we can select that from the origin folder in the browser. We can come down to XZ. So I'm going to left click once. Within my toolbox there, I just want to quickly flip this. So I'll select the flip icon. And now you can see that we've cross-sectioned this part, and we can see this additional detail in here. So there's a change of diameter, which we couldn't otherwise see if we hadn't have done the section analysis, unless we looked from the top. So when we've implemented our section, we can adjust it. So we can offset that from the plane which we chose, okay, like so. We can also specify a distance in here. So the distance offset, let's just go for 0 for now. Angle 1, so again, we can adjust the angle of that plane. In this case, this is around the x-axis. I'm going to put that at 0. And then this angle we can adjust using the wheel as well. And we can adjust that like so. Again, put that at 0. And we've also got a section color here as well. So you can choose from component, or you can go custom, in which case you can select here and make any color change. Let's go for a red. Okay, and then we can see where the part has been intersected. It's now red in color. So let's click OK. And now we've done our cross-sectional view. That's looking good. But how do we come out of that cross-sectional view? To do that, we come over to the browser, and you'll see that we have a new folder input here, which is analysis. So in this case, it's called section 2. We can right-click and rename that how we like. We can delete it or edit it. We can also hide. Okay, so hiding that section, so it's just normal. So we can actually keep that section view there for future. Let's say we do some more edits. We want to see that section again. We can just click there. So nice and easy. But to remove it, as I say, just right click, select delete, and then the whole folder disappears. And then we're left with our original part. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to cover that. It's a really useful tool. And I'll see you in the next lecture.